The YouTuber's gonna make tea and a fucking coffee maker. It's gonna mix and tire in the coffee makers and two tea bags. Two tea bags. Two tea bags. Yeah, I can't believe this. Two tea bags in. Tea bags. It was in the coffee maker. This one has a really nice shower. Let's deal with this. You take the coffee. I'm using fresh water. A bowl of water on this cup 4 line petrol size. And I'm just gonna start it. I'm gonna start this bitch right now. Now it's brewing. I'm starting to brew the tea. It's pretty dang, we're just gonna flick it. So you make tea in a coffee maker if you're on drugs. Fucking stay on your smack thermocrat. That makes it tight in the coffee machine. Tight in the coffee machine. Guys, the least favorite piece to tea that is reservoir. Snake cup. I don't like Mr. Coffee, but coffee makers. Making tea in my coffee maker. It's been in a coffee bag for a guy's got like 20 years. These really good performance for coffee. Fucking cup of tea. Shut up, it's like turn on the timer. That's mad. I'm gonna show you if I make butter or not. So let's see. Yeah, I made tea, so pie. The fuck.